won't go anymore.
Fuck, why are we going to this shit?
Yeah, it's fair. They dead ass left.
Damn. Nope. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, you okay? Oh, baby. He ran that lot. He ran that shit.
Where is he?
Dude, what the? Yeah, the stop sign.
Oh fuck.
I don't have a car. Can I call 911? Can you call 911, please?
Fuck. Where's my phone?
Baby, you okay?
Where's my phone?
Can you call
Baby, you okay?
911?
Yeah.
Call 911. Call 911.
Is that my car?
Yes. He's. There's a stop sign. It's not my fault.
Okay, I have a camera.
Yeah.
Don't move the car.
There's a stop sign.
Is he leaving?
No, he better not be. What the hell? He can't be.
You can't move the car, dude.
Hey! What the fuck?
I have camera.
Fuck?
What the fuck? Dude, we got hit and run. He hit my car, and my we're in the stop sign at yes, my girl's hurt. Airball. He messed up my car. I told him if he could park, and he drove off and ran away. Okay.
Wait, should I back that up?
Yeah. What the fuck?
Oh fuck.
This guy really drove off. What's this location? What's our location?
I don't have my phone.
Oh, here's your phone. We're at baby, you okay?
Here. That hurt.
I'm trying to look. Dude, my